the current fill level displayed on the gauge. Then remove the gauge. Once done, locate the optimal position within the pit to install the monitor. In this case, it will be mounted on the far side. This allows for ample room for installation and future maintenance. It also ensures the monitor and lead is out of the way of technicians who come to fill the tank. Here's a tip: work clean. Before you begin the installation, tie the excess lead into a neat bundle to reduce the amount of clutter within the pit. Step 1. Preparing the pit mount bracket. First, bend the horizontal bar slightly to allow for easy threading. Then, slide it through the vertical bracket and loops on the back of the monitor. Now bend the ends of the horizontal bracket in the opposite direction to ensure it will lay flat against the pit wall. Step 2. Deciding how high to install the monitor within the pit. This is the tricky part. For optimal signal strength, you should typically install the monitor as high as possible within the pit while ensuring the cover can still close shut. However, in this case, the ground level is quite low, which means we will need to lower the position of the monitor to ensure the self-tapping screw does not protrude into the open air. Step 3. Installing the monitor. We suggest you begin by attaching an extension to your drill, as the monitor's antenna might get in the way. Once the monitor has been secured to the pit wall, clean the seat and slideway of the gauge, ensuring they are free of any debris. This is important as metallic particles found in dirt or sand can affect the sensitive magnetic technology of the gauge. On tight assemblies such as this, it is best to clip the lead into the gauge before securing it to the seat. Be sure to note the position of the C-stop and pins in the seat of the gauge. They will indicate the correct orientation the gauge must be installed. Once you found the sweet spot, replace the screws on your dial, securing it in place. Finally, protect your hard work. Tuck away the lead so it is below any feed lines a technician may manipulate during fills or maintenance.